afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Renias, Operations Manager for Tree Cutting Services. Today, we are in Hatfield, whereby we have got a tree cutting exercise. We have been given a task to trim all branches of trees that are along the Jurao. We have got trees with the branches that are above a building. We have got trees with the branches that are above a carport. So the client is tasked us to trim all these trees. So this is what you are seeing our team doing. We are going to perform this job amicably. There are no damages that are going to happen, and we are going to complete this task as safely as is possible. So if you got any tree failing in it, whether it's residential, commercial or industrial, get in touch with the tree cutting service today. We are going to give you a wholesome service. There are a lot of advantages of using our services. One, we are insured. What does this mean? It means that if ever there are damages on your own property, our insurance company is going to pay for those damages. But this has never happened before. The second reason is we are safety conscious. Everything that we do, we put safety first, whether it's for our team or for your property. We prioritize your property at all times. Third reason is we are professionals who know what they are doing. We have been in the industry for quite a long time, and we know what is best for our own clients. Number 4, we are able to meet any deadline. If you got any project that you want to be completed in the shortest possible time, we can mobilize the resources, whether they be material, financial, or human. So if you got any tree cutting project, if you got any tree trimming project, if you got any tree topping project, whatever the size, tree cutting services is here to assist you. We are waiting to hear from you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.